In the previous video, I went about self-leveling the bathroom floor, cutting out and installing the new linear drain, and framing out the knee wall for our shower.
What up, y'all? Israel back with another video. In today's video, we are doing some plumbing, PEX, crimp, B. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Yeah, and if you guys are here for the first time, my name is Ro, and this channel is about my family, our adventures. Currently, we're doing a renovation. Yeah, we're just gonna get at it. So enjoy.
All right, guys. So I got a package today. Ooh. Woo! This is 12 pounds. Sheesh. This is our shower situation that we're going to be using. You put your hot, your cold in here, and then it distributes to this nozzle, that nozzle, or that nozzle. And the thing is, all of them work together. They all work, if you turn them all on, they all work at the same time, which is exactly what my wife wanted. So, hope you're happy, babe. So what's gonna happen is put in a male PEX 3/4 into this side and also this side. So that's 2 PEX 3/4, and then over here, I'm gonna need the PEX female 1/2 inch, because these are all 1/2 inch, because your main lines are all 1/2 inch, what I learned from the plumber situation and other people. So yeah, hope that helps you guys. This is pretty much what it is. And let me put this back up.
In this image, I wanted to show you that I attached all the PEX adapters. So that's 3 1/2 inch female PEX adapters and 2 3/4 male PEX adapters. Okay, the first thing I need to do is to create some structural support for the shower valve diverter. What I'm using right now is a 1/2 inch plywood, and I'm going to use that 1/2 inch to connect to the framing of the shower. One of the things I'm doing is finding the center line for this shower valve diverter, so it's not too far left, too far right, and that is going to be in the middle of our shower. There was a little bit of complication in this process. On the back of the shower valve diverter, it sticks out a little bit further than what I needed to, so I had to cut into this 1/2 inch plywood in order to accommodate for that. I first used the drill, and then I used the jigsaw to cut out the excess area that I didn't need. And finally, I screwed down the shower valve diverter to the plywood.
Guys, just finished up with the shower valve situation. Next is to install this, and then we can go about finally doing the PEX, connections, crimps, all that situation, y'all. So yeah, let's just keep going.
And before we get started with the PEX, I need to make sure that we add some more 2x4s to support the shower valve diverter.
Alright guys, so I finally installed the shower valve system once again. Regular, handheld, rain shower. So yeah, I finally installed this boy. Thing ain't going nowhere. And y'all wondering, how the heck did you just do that? How's it not like going anywhere? How's it? Oh my gosh, it's just like standing here. Look at it. Oh my God, puppy, look at it. And I'm like, oh, let's just check the back. I got some brackets. So I went to Home Depot, got some brackets, and put them on the sides of the piece of wood, and so I can nail directly into the studs. And that thing ain't moving nowhere. Ain't gonna move nowhere. What I did right now is some temporary things. I just put some drywall screws into the sides of the studs so it can just hold it in place temporarily. So the reason I'm trying to do this temporarily right now is because I don't know exactly what the depth is going to be. And then once I do the the backer board on this side, once I do the backer board and then the thin set and then the actual tile on here, I want to make sure that I'm adjusting it. It's not too far back or it's not too far forward. So what I'm going to do, just to kind of give you guys an advanced look, cut right down here into this area So the cover, the faceplate is just going to fall right on top of it. And then at that point, I can adjust it to wherever I need it to be. So yeah, guys, that's what it is right now. That's what the valve system is. That's what we had to do first before anything is put this valve system on. Now we can get ready to put the PEX in and get this boy started. Let's get into it.
The tools that you're going to need for this plumbing process is this yellow tool. It has one blade and it allows you to cut the PEX with one slice. It's a perfect tool, so I definitely highly recommend that you use it to cut your PEX. Our next tool is a crimp tool. It's this black and yellow tool that I'm using, and what I use it for is to connect crimp pieces together, which are the silver pieces, onto the PEX. It clamps it down into the PEX and compresses it. The crimp pieces allows you to connect your PEX, eardrops, and elbows all together. And I know you're wondering, who is that old lady working with you? Well, that's my mom. You guys probably already knew that, but if you guys are new for the first time, yes, that's my mom, my foster mom. I grew up in foster care. We could talk about this later, so let's get back into this.
has from before. Alright, so now I gotta go upstairs and check. I totally forgot.
What?
I gotta turn it on. That went to this one. And I'm about to turn this one on. Alright. So now I'm about to turn the rain head shower on. Check upstairs one more time.
I
think we're good.
Leak free?
Yep.
Oh,
I'm messing. The water test seemed to work. And that's how the cookie crumbles. It is finally done. The rough-in shower is finally done. We got the rain head. We got the regular shower head. And then we got that handheld shower situation going on. And then we got the valve diverter. The hot and cold situation. Then the... Which one this goes to? Oh, this is the regular shower head. Bam! Right there. And then this one goes to the... handheld shower. Then the final one goes to the rain shower. Yes, yes. I wanted to show you how I put these crimps on, and I love it because it's these elbows, these 90-degree elbows. These are the best. They're pretty much stoppers, so you don't go too far. Like this, these little tips out here, like these are a lifesaver, so you don't mess up. It's pretty much a perfect match every time you put it on. So I love these elbows. These are 90-degree PEX elbows, 1/2 inch. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick because, no lie, lifesavers. If you don't have these parts when you're doing PEX, yo, I'm just saying it might not be right. Just go be real. It might not be right, but when you have this, yo, it's right every time. Yeah, like I said, I love these. Love these guys. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is the fully functional valve system. This thing is freaking awesome. So right now, that's all done. So now we can focus on the floor. We can focus on the side. We can focus on tiling and just getting this all finished up, guys. Like, that's what we're doing. Yeah, praise the Lord. And yeah, I think that's all I got. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I guess until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.